GitHub is the platform every developer is familiar with. It's a hub where you can collaborate on projects and create software. The hub part is clear, but what does Git actually mean? It is a version control system that tracks every change. Repositories store projects, commits track changes, branches allow parallel development, and merges bring everything together. In this video, you'll learn how to scrape GitHub trending repositories step by step. First things first, install Python 3 and any code editor. We'll use Visual Studio Code. Open your project folder. Log into the DataImpulse dashboard and copy your proxy credentials for the later. Then install the requests and beautiful soup libraries using this command. We also need the SYS and typing modules, but they are built into Python and require no setup. If you scraped GitHub in Python, first choose the target page and inspect its HTML structure. Secondly, send HTTP request, parse the response with beautiful soup and extract the required information. If the data is spread across multiple pages, we use pagination to gather everything. After that, store your data in formats such as CSV or JSON. Now let's see how it works in practice. For this case, we scrape the GitHub trending repositories page. Some components of our code include proxy settings, credentials, timeout, SSL verification, user agent, and trending filters. You can start with a simpler code snippet. Don't forget to replace our values with your own proxy credentials. But if you aim for cleaner and reusable code, integrate key functions there. Log build proxies. Scrape GitHub trending and main. After running the code with these functions, you'll get a list of 14 trending repositories. The result looks great. All code is available via the link under this video. To sum up, scraping can be beginner-friendly if you follow DataImpulse and watch our latest tutorials. We encourage developers to be creative and adapt methods to their own projects. Use proxies for more secure workspace, respect GitHub's terms of service, apply filters, log and manage your requests. Try it out yourself and let us know your results in the comments. And see you in the next videos.